This video will show you how to use Microsoft Teams for video interpreting. After accepting a video interpreting booking with all graduates, you can expect to receive a confirmation email with the details of your booking. This will include the link to both a test call with an all graduates coordinator and the link for the actual meeting, as well as our general guidelines for video interpreting. This email will also include the link to your service delivery form, which needs to be filled in upon completion of all video interpreting bookings. On the day of your booking, we ask that you log in to a quick test video call with an all graduates video interpreting coordinator. This is to be done around 10 minutes prior to the start of your booking to ensure that we can see and hear you well, as well as to answer any questions that you may have. You can find the link to this test call in your confirmation email. Please click on this link 10 minutes before the start of your booking. This should now open a page in your web browser asking how you would like to join the Teams meeting. If you do not have the Microsoft Teams app installed, you can simply continue within your web browser. If you have the Microsoft Teams app, feel free to select the option to open the meeting within your app. Once you have chosen how you would like to join, you will be taken to a page where you can see a preview of your video and enter a display name. This is the name that will be visible to all other parties in the meeting. Please enter the word interpreter and the language you are interpreting for. Just below where you have entered this information, you will see two small icons representing your camera and your microphone. You will need to ensure that both of these are in the on position before joining the meeting. If you would like to make any changes to which camera and microphone are being used, you can do so by accessing the settings button to the right. If there is more than one option for your speaker, microphone, and camera, they can be selected here from the drop-down menu. You are also able to change the color of the background if you wish. When you are ready to join the meeting, please click Join Now. You will need to wait for the All Graduates coordinator to allow you into the meeting. This may take a moment or two. When the meeting has started, you will see the other parties as the main image on your screen, and you should be able to see a smaller version of yourself in the bottom right-hand corner. You will also see several icons. Starting from left to right, we can turn off and back on our camera, and mute and unmute our microphone. You should not be required to use the Share Tray or More Actions buttons. Microsoft Teams also has a chat function, which can be useful for communicating if there are any issues with the audio or if the professional wishes to share any written information. We can also see the number of participants in the call. When you have finished the test call with an All Graduates coordinator, you may leave the call by clicking the red Hang Up button. You will then need to return to your confirmation email and click the second link, which will take you to the actual meeting with the professional and client. You may need to wait for the professional to allow you into the meeting. Please leave this page open and wait for the meeting to start. If more than 10 minutes have passed and the meeting still has not started, please contact our video interpreting support team for assistance.